high precision, high performance. Corloy High Speed, High Efficiency Milling Tool, AERO MILL. AERO MILL is high precision milling cutter for the high speed machining of aluminum alloy. For the AERO MILL series, APD with cutter diameter bigger than 80 millimeters and AERO MILL MINI MAPD with cutter diameter less than 63 millimeters are available. The AERO MILL APD cutter, made of high tensile aluminum alloy, has super rigidity with its light weight. Wide chip pocket space and steel locator of AERO MILL enables smooth finishing in aluminum as well as roughing. For the insert of AERO MILL, insert type and blade type are available with the same cutter. And its cutter design is suitable for various work material. In addition, excellent cooling and chip evacuating effect realized by the AERO MILL series. Special cooling injection devices, coolant bowl, and coolant cover. The AERO MILL MINI MAPD. MAPD is suitable for high-speed, small-size milling operation. Strong steel body and simple and easy screw-on clamping system guarantee best performance. For the insert of Mini MAPD, tungsten carbide type and PCD type are available and insert screw-on adjustable system applied for easier insert location. Excellent cooling and chip evacuating effect realized by the AERO MILL MINI. Special cooling injection devices are equipped with its mini body. It guarantees superb tool life. The AERO MILL that has balance level G2.5. Excellent surface finish of machine surface. R-max by 5 micrometers. Successful business of our customers. AERO MILL series leads the world of aluminum milling.